Okay, so I'm continuing on with the sunset painting. We're going to put a setting sun, a bright setting sun, and then we're also going to add some islands. I have my tape here for my horizon still on the painting. So I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to get pure white, very wet, almost like watercolor paint. And I want also to have completely clean water. I don't want to be using other water with other colors in it. Now I'm just going to go on the canvas here, choose a spot where I want to have my setting sun. I'm going to very lightly paint a rounded sun as if it is setting, like that. And this is going to dry not as bright. White will really fade, and then I'm just going to make a few little fuzzy lines around it, like the sun does when it sets. I come in and make it just a little thicker right in there. So you can go back in with some yellow and white if you want to and blend a few colors around very lightly. I'm using a round brush this time. And then I may want to go a little thinner, yellow mixed with white going up. And there you have it. So you can spend as much time as on that as you want to make it look the way you want. All right, now I'm going to put some islands in here, and I still have this tape, that way it keeps my islands so that they're nice and flat on the bottom. So a small flat brush is what I'm using here. You can see it there. I'm going to mix a little bit of red, yellow, and purple, just like we had in the sky. You will find that you use the same colors again and again and again throughout your paintings. In acrylic painting, and any painting really, you don't need to use lots and lots of colors for a painting. You just use the same ones over and over again with different values. So I've mixed that together, and again I've gotten that kind of really wet and thin. I'm just going to put a little island here, like it's off in the distance. And as things are further in the distance, they take on more color of the sky. As they get closer, you may see some more chroma in there. But often when they're off in the distance, they really fade out. This is maybe a mountainous island here. So there we go. I bring it right down to the tape. And here's a little one. So if I wanted to make this one look closer, I would have it be even just a little darker maybe than the others. All right, that's our islands. Have a great day, everybody.